Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Learn English with Ease podcast. I'm Amelia, your English guide and friendly teacher. I'm so happy you're here today.
And I'm Tom. It's always great to spend time with you, helping you learn simple English step by step.
In every episode, we practice real English conversations with clear examples and easy explanations. You can listen, repeat, and speak along with us anytime, anywhere.
Exactly. Whether you're at home, on a bus, or taking a walk, you can enjoy learning English with us.
Today, we're going to learn how to talk about time and your daily activities. By the end of this episode, you'll be able to ask and tell the time, talk about your routine, and use some common phrases like a native speaker.
Including my little story about almost oversleeping this morning. So grab a coffee or tea, get comfortable, and let's start. Part 1. Warm-up chat.
Tom, what time did you wake up today?
Uh, Around 7:30. I hit the snooze button a few times.
Oh, I woke up at 6. I like to have a calm morning before work.
Nice. Did you have breakfast already?
Yes, some toast and tea. Simple and quick.
That's healthy. I just grabbed a banana on the way. Listeners, what about you? Did you eat breakfast today? Part 2. Talking about time.
Let's practice asking and telling the time. Repeat after us.
What time is it?
It's 7 o'clock.
It's 8:30. Means 8:30.
It's 8:45.
Means 8:45. Native speakers also say, it's about 9, or it's almost 7. This makes your English sound natural.
Part 3, Daily Activities Vocabulary. Here are some common daily actions. Repeat after me.
Wake up, eat breakfast, go to school, go to work, eat lunch, take a break, go home, watch TV, sleep.
Example sentences. I wake up at 6 a.m. I eat breakfast at 7 a.m. I go to bed at 10 p.m.
A native speaker tip. Instead of eat, you can say grab. For example, I grab breakfast at 7. It sounds casual and friendly.
Part 4, Practice Dialogue. Now let's practice a short conversation. Repeat each line after us.
Good morning. What time do you eat breakfast?
I usually eat breakfast at 7. How about you?
I eat breakfast at 6:30.
Nice. Then I go to work at 8.
Me too, if I'm not running late.
Let's make it sound more natural with a little small talk.
Hey, Amelia, do you ever hit the snooze button?
Oh yes, sometimes 3 times.
Same here. Yesterday I skipped breakfast. Big mistake.
You were starving by noon, I bet.
True. Excuse me. Talking too much makes me thirsty.
Take a sip. See, listeners, real conversations have pauses, laughs, and even little mistakes. That's normal. Tip 1. Use at with times. For example, I eat lunch at 12.
Tip 2. Use simple present tense for routines. For example, I go to work at 8.
Tip 3. Add words like around or about to sound natural. For example, I wake up around 6.
Tip 4. Short sentences and small pauses make your English sound fluent and relaxed.
Here's your challenge. Write 3 sentences about your daily routine in the comments.
For example, I wake up at 6 a.m. I eat breakfast at 7 a.m. I go to work at 8 a.m.
Great job! Practicing out loud really helps you remember.
Amelia, remember yesterday morning?
Yes, you were late again.
I had to run to catch the bus. I forgot my coffee at home.
That's a typical day for many people. Listeners, it's okay if your routine isn't perfect, just practice speaking. Let's quickly review what we learned today. Asking the time. What time is it? Do you have the time?
Telling the time. It's 7 o'clock. It's 8:30. It's 8:45.
Daily actions. Wake up, eat breakfast, go to work, take a break.
Casual phrases. Grab breakfast. Around 6. Almost 7.
And don't forget small talk, laughs, and pauses. They make your English sound real. Fantastic work today. Now you can talk about the time and your daily routine in English.
Subscribe to Learn English with Ease podcast for more fun lessons.
See you next time. Bye for now.
Bye, everyone. Don't forget your coffee.